Good day, I'm Ursula Pulgueras, 50 years old, single. I have finished a degree in midwifery and caregiving. I have worked as a domestic helper for 8 years with two employers, both in Hong Kong. I'm skilled in childcare from newborn to toddlers and basic elderly care. I am also skilled in housekeeping, such as doing the laundry, ironing, gardening, budgeting, and doing the grocery as well as cooking, basic Chinese and Western cuisine. I am trustworthy, responsible, can work with less supervision, and takes initiative. During my spare time, I play with the kids and teach them a good hygiene. I can work with others, but I prefer work alone. I prefer taking care of a kids or newborn. I look forward to working with a compassionate employer. That's all. Thank you.